Alright, first video making CDE rotor. CD rotor box. I guess this particular box was bought out by High Gain years down the road, and then bought out by MFJ. But anyway, testing the functionality of these two, to see if it can rotate this rotor itself. Anyway, this one lights up. It seems to be functional. This one does not light up. Calibrates, etc. I got cheap wiring. We'll see what happens when I try and rotate it. So, this is a, let's see what brand it is. Not brand, but model. Model 4 CD45. This one appears to be a 3 CD44. I downloaded the manual. I just gotta wait till tomorrow to print it out. Other than that, let's start testing stuff. I'm gonna fix my camera. Shoot. That seems to be working. Alright. Okay, it's plugged in. Calibrate. Seems to be working. I don't really know how to calibrate one of these. It's my first video ever. First ever plugging in. Process of elimination is what I go upon. So yeah, this particular rotor only does a brake release, and it does not rotate. This is what it does. From the instructions on a CDE rotor box, you depress the brake release and then rotate. Now, it may not work because it's not a rotor box that's the same, or it may not because the wiring is too cheap and too a bad gauge, or the actual box is or the actual rotor's frozen. A number of possibilities, but the point of the video was to determine these boxes are operational. So I got a couple more of the rotors to test. May not put them on videos, but process of elimination. Test number 1 down.